Hey, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2003 Ford Windstar. Vehicle came in for an oil change. We were performing our courtesy inspection while we were doing the oil change, and I'm very happy that we were doing that today. The technician found an enormous hole in the subframe due to rust. It makes the vehicle incredibly unsafe to drive due to the fact that that subframe could fail at any point in time. We informed the customer that we had found that. It also informed them that unfortunately, due to the age of the vehicle, we weren't able to secure a new part from the manufacturer, and finding a quality used part really was not an option either. We told the customer that we felt the vehicle had become unsafe to continue operating. We let them know that they needed to do something quickly to get out of that vehicle and get into a safer, more secure vehicle. Sometimes those can be some hard conversations to have with people, but we feel it's our duty to make sure that they're in a safe vehicle and making sure that they're safe and that their family is safe. So if you're looking for a vehicle, or maybe you're not sure where your vehicle is as far as its condition, please feel free to give us a call. We do offer free safety inspection. My name's Dan. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop. Thanks for watching the video. Please share the video so other people in your situation can get the information.